U.S. stocks rebounding from their lows late in the day. This coming after the Federal Reserve said that the economy in the United States is on firmer footing. But there's still plenty of concern about Japan and other global tensions. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, so stocks here in the U.S. really kind of escaping the brunt of the global sell-off. And traders that I spoke to here at the New York Stock Exchange saying that, you could feel the panic here this morning before the open of trading. And, of course, that was after the markets crashed in Japan overnight, leading Japan's Nikkei index to its biggest two-day slide since 1987. Of course, we all know what was going on there, another financial crisis. So we closed off the lows, and, of course, at one point the Dow was down 296 points. And so it certainly closing off those worst levels. A couple of things helping out the markets here to recover off those worst levels. We got word that Japanese officials made some progress in stabilizing the damaged nuclear reactors after a couple of explosions. And, of course, as Pimm mentioned, the Federal Reserve saying that the economy here in the U.S. is improving and is on firm footing. And so at least for now, we did see a little bit of calm after what was quite a bit of panic here early in the morning, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, we started out the day with a lot of selling in the shares of General Electric, GE, but by the close, it was lower, but it was off the lows of the day. What happened?
GE was down almost 7% and really recovering here by the close. And we have been keeping a close eye on GE, mainly because they built 3 reactors at the Fukushima nuclear plant. GE saying that they still plan to sell reactors in India. And so GE still a focus here. And other utility stocks that deal with nuclear energy like Duke and Southern, they didn't fare as well. Their stocks were lower all day long. So we didn't see the lift in those stocks like we did with GE. So still closing lower there. Then insurers like Aflac and Hartford Financial still at the forefront and both taking a hit here amid concern that their operations in Japan will be crippled. Of course, Aflac gets most of its revenue from Japan, and Hartford does significant business there. And, of course, one winner, we talked about that yesterday, and it was once again a big winner today, and that is in the solar energy market. First Solar, that stock up 8% today, and what we're looking at, a 13% gain just in the past couple of days, Pimm. Now back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.